Hey, what's going on everybody? I hope you are all fine. Codito is here. So today, guys, we are gonna start off a series of React.js. So, how we can install React.js? So, first of all, we need to go and open our browser, okay? It is necessary. It is necessary, guys. Go and install. Let's say we want first of all Node.js. Oh, what did I write? Node.js. Okay, we have to go and download Node.js, right? Now, guys, it depends what system you have. If you have a Mac, you have to go in Mac installer. If you have Windows, you have to go Windows. I have Windows, so I just push here the save, right? Let's save it. I think I've got it. Let's see. Let me see. Yes, I already have Node. Okay. After installing, you have to go and push. Let's see. All this button and then push next and generally follow all the process. Okay, I already have Node.js. I don't want to install it again. Right. What else? Then you have to go and go in CMD, okay. CMD, cool. Just write npx create react app. Let's call it first. It's gonna be our first project. Before doing this, I forgot to do something, guys. I'm gonna create this project in our desktop here. Okay, so for this reason we have to go in our desktop, cd desktop, sometimes desktop, cool. Now npx create react app. Let's call it first. Okay, we press enter and we just wait for our installation to be completed. Okay, I'm gonna stop for a while until the installation will be okay. So as you can see, now our installation is in process. Okay guys, now as we sorry guys, as you can see we finished with the installation, so just close the CMD prompt. Okay guys, now find in your desktop the folder that we created, okay, it's the first, and just drag and drop inside your text editor. Okay, here is my text editor. It's Visual Studio Code. I highly recommend it, use it, but you can use whatever you want, for example Sublime or Atom. Okay, drag and drop it inside your text editor, right? We don't need header, or we don't need this. before doing this, let's view now our terminal. Go to view terminal, push the terminal, and it's gonna appear this window. npm let me see what happened. Terminal, yes, right. npm start, and now a client server is gonna open in our browser. Okay, now it shows nothing because we deleted all the rest. So let's write h2 my first app. As you can see, it's your first app here. Delete the div, we don't need it, right? Okay, a lot of you now is gonna say, oh, I know this syntax is HTML, but in reality, guys, it's not HTML, it's JSX. Okay, JSX. What this means? It means that JSX is a syntax of JavaScript, and it shows us how the UI appears. Okay, this is what we see, the UI, right? JSX is extremely powerful because it comes with the power of JavaScript, okay, and provided us a lot of elements. In JSX we can use variables and functions. Okay, let's put a variable and call it name equal od od. Say as this is my name. Okay, and in order to input here in JSX variables, we have to use curly brackets, this, and just input the name. And look here now. Now we can see our result, this what we input. Okay, this is a variable name, right? Also we can import here functions. Let's call function full name, for example, equal, not equal, right? Let's put here let full okay, complete name equal right, or let's put something else, guys. od, right. Now also let's put here the complete name as parameter, and we want to return the complete name. Okay, we can call it in curly brackets as we said previously, full name, right? Full name. Okay, in order to appear we have to invoke it, self-invoked, okay, to call it, and here to put the parameter. Okay, the parameter is complete name, for example. Okay, complete name. Look here, guys, we called the function. Okay, in order to call we have to use the parentheses and to put inside the parameter. Okay, this is the parameter that we put it here, and we return it. Okay, and here is the result. Cool. Let's delete it, not need it, delete it. Okay, also let date, let's take the date equal with new date, right, dot get full year, right. Look here what is gonna appear now. Name, let's call it date, right. As you can see, we get the full year, okay, by using this variable here, the date, right. Behind the hood, Babel use GSX, okay. In order to see GSX Babel, it compiles all these things, and it's very hard in order to create it. It creates something like this, guys. For example, Babel. Let's let element. What I'm doing here? Let element equal with use react dot create element. Okay, it puts here the h1 tag, then push the comma, use the let me see, my first tab. Okay, it just take it here. Imagine that you have an app and you use many tags, many h2, h1, div, and put here all these things. It's gonna be very crazy, okay. We will not use these things because Babel use it, and in reality convert this thing, okay, all this thing, it convert it in this thing, right. Cool. So we don't need to do this. So guys, this is the tutorial video, and we talked about GSX, okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.